ऑल स्टूडेंट, आज की इस वीडियो में हम फ्लिप क्लासरूम के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। बेसिकली जो फ्लिप क्लासरूम का मतलब होता है अपसाइड डाउन। जैसे कि हमने ट्रेडिशनल स्कूल में पढ़ाई ऐसे की है कि जो क्लासरूम में हमें पहले टॉपिक पढ़ाया जाता था, उसके बाद हमें असाइनमेंट और होमवर्क घर के लिए दिए जाते हैं। बट बेसिकली इन द फ्लिप क्लासरूम हमें वीडियो लेक्चर और एनी असाइनमेंट पहले ही क्लासरूम से पहले दिए जाते हैं, ताकि जो स्टूडेंट है वो एक बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग उस टॉपिक के बारे में जान सके और एक्चुअल जब क्लास हो रही है तो उस टाइम पे प्रैक्टिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को मोर कंसर्न दिया जाए रेदर देन कि हम टॉपिक को उस टाइम पे इंट्रोड्यूस करें। तो ये जो टीचिंग मेथड है ये जो है टीचर सेंटर अप्रोच से जो है लर्नर सेंटर अप्रोच की तरफ फोकस करता है। आफ्टर दैट द फिलॉसफी बिहाइंड दिस फ्लिप क्लासरूम, मतलब कौन सी ऐसी चीज है कि जिसकी वजह से हमें फ्लिप क्लासरूम को इंट्रोड्यूस करना पड़ता है। तो मेन जो इसकी फिलॉसफी है कि टीचर कैन स्पेंड मोर टाइम टू द स्टूडेंट एंड इंटरेक्ट विद दो स्टूडेंट हु नीड देयर हेल्प इन द एक्टिविटी बीइंग परफॉर्म एट दैट टाइम। ऑल्सो द स्टूडेंट कैन वर्क टुगेदर एंड solve the problem in the classroom area rather than they are sitting at the homes alone and nobody there for their help. After that, what are the four main pillars of the flip classroom? That four pillars are flexible environment, learning culture, intentional content and professional educator. In the flexible environment, in the flipped classroom, basically the flexible approach can be applied. We can use the audio method, video method and any other learning style, and the flexible space provided to the student when where they want to study. We provide them a video lecture, also a online content or quiz method before the actual class so that they understand about the topic. And the second pillar conclude the learning culture. In the flip classroom, mainly the focus about the learning, that is basically active participation involved in this teaching. In contrast, the flip learning is the child-centered approach, and the class time dedicated to the activity to know about the topic, their greater in-depth knowledge about their. And the third pillar include the intentional content. In this, the educator continuously think about how they use this model and develop conceptual understanding about and the procedural fluency in that area. And the educator also use the intentional content to maximize the classroom time in the activity process and active learning strategy. And the last pillar is the professional educator. The professional educator having more time continuously observe to those students during the class, because the basic understanding about this teaching method giving already to the student. And the professional educator less visibly prominent role performed during the class, but also he has become the essential ingredient in that the flipped learning process. Then you need to understand what do student at home in the flipped classroom. Basically they can attend the online lecture, this kind of, or review online course material from any site, or जो है read physical or digital text in the form of book, PDF, PPT can be there, or participate in an online discussion. Online discussion can be through the Zoom meeting or Google Meet, or also the perform the research basically at the home environment. And also what to be done in the flipped classroom, then in the classroom area. In the classroom, skill practice can be done like guided or unguided by that teacher, in personal face-to-face discussion between the peers at that time, so that they can introduce their topic, problem, what are they facing during the learning process at the homes. And also debate discussion can be done at the classroom area. Presentation about that topic can be done by any person, or lab experiment or जो है peer assessment and review can be done at that time also. And what to be noted in the flipped classroom? Basically in the flipped classroom model, student practice under the guidance of the teacher while assessing content on their own. और उसके अलावा जो है जो साइड बेनिफिट टीचर के लिए रहता है फ्लिप क्लासरूम से, तो वो जो है क्रिटिकल आइडिया टीचर को एक प्रोवाइड करते हैं और एक करिकुलर मैप होता है, क्योंकि वो जो है कॉन्टिन्यूसली या तो वो वीडियो फॉर्म में आप पेशेंट या जो भी उनके स्टूडेंट है उनको कंटेंट प्रोवाइड करते हैं या किसी और मेथड से, और जो स्टूडेंट है उनके लिए साइड बेनिफिट कैन बी दे कैन रिव्यू, रिवाइज, pause or google the term or rewatch and create ready-made library for the student for their review session. What are the benefit of flipped classroom in today's scenario? The flipped classroom approach include all form of learning, that may be oral, visual, listening, hand-on or problem solving, or it is a student centered approach basically, or it improves student access to the content or ongoing access and in-depth knowledge about that particular topic, and it provide opportunity for the teacher to teach through video and clarify the next day in personal doubt session of their student. And basically what are the disadvantages related to flipped classroom? The need for technology to all students, because basically every student doesn't get the high technology, and also it increase the screen time in the student if the video session is too long, and not all home environment equally supported to the student. What are the example of basically the flipped classroom? For example, in a medical classroom, short video on current topic like rheumatology was taught to the student and uploaded it to the YouTube or email to the all the student who are going to be taken the class. And in the lecture classroom, focus on the application of the material aspect of that video, and through the case study or activity given to the student at the homework. And basically at that classroom session, typically discussion can be made about that topic. And second example, it can be like programming classroom. The student watch video lecture and attempt a self-check quiz before the classroom contact, and during the classroom times the student work on the programming problem or an coding difficulty, so that the teacher can solve that problem at that time and participate actively. तो बेसिकली इन द फ्लिप क्लासरूम हमने ये जाना कि फ्लिप क्लासरूम में हम पहले बच्चों को जो है कोई वीडियो या कंटेंट प्रोवाइड करते हैं, और उसके अलावा एक्चुअल क्लास के टाइम पे हम एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म करवाते हैं या उनके डाउट सेशन प्राप्त करते हैं, जिससे हम पता कर सकते हैं कि उन्हें बेसिकली उस वीडियो में क्या क्या डाउट रहे हैं, जिनको हम क्लास में आगे चल के क्लियर करेंगे। तो आज के इस वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर आपको कोई डाउट रहता है तो आप कमेंट कर सकते हो। थैंक यू।